Today we will demonstrate how to use the run workflow action in Engini. The run workflow action is essentially equivalent to calling a method in a coding environment. Its purpose is to send parameters from one workflow to another. For instance, if you want to run multiple workflows using specific fields, instead of creating one long and potentially confusing workflow, you can send the relevant parameters to several workflows. Each of these workflows will then execute the specific actions you've defined. In this example, we will retrieve a single opportunity from Salesforce and send selected fields to another workflow that performs a specific action. First, we use getRecords to fetch a single opportunity from Salesforce. Next, we use the run workflow action to trigger another workflow with the fields we want from the opportunity we fetched. In this case, we will trigger the workflow using the name, stage, and date fields. Inside the text field, we initialize a structured object with these fields. It's important to ensure the object is initialized in the correct format so the data is sent properly. Now let's run the workflow and immediately switch to the triggered workflow to see how the data is used. Before we examine each action inside the workflow, take a look at the history log. You'll notice that the system has executed the workflow with a success status. Now let's dive into the details of the workflow to better understand what happened at each step. Notice that the object has been passed through correctly. We can see the name, stage, and date of the opportunity fetched from the first workflow. We are using the parse action to make the received data more readable and to access the fields for use in the next actions. In the if condition block, we check whether the opportunity stage is under qualification. Since the condition is met, we proceed to the if yes block, where we simply display the customer-related name of the opportunity. This is just a small example to demonstrate how the run workflow action works. From here, you can use these fields to automate processes according to your specific needs. And that's it. With run workflow, you can split a single process into multiple workflows, allowing each to perform tasks based on your needs. It works similarly to passing parameters in a coding environment, but with Engini, it's simple and code-free. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching.